Hey y'all, it's your girl Mayana _Queen B with another video. This video was so unplanned, but I'm glad I did it. This is a DIY 2-minute face mask video. If you want to learn how to make a really quick face mask to cover up, some states and cities are actually recommending that we keep our face covered. Here you go, really quick, just using a t-shirt. Yes, a t-shirt. All you have to do is get a pair of scissors and a t-shirt that has a good sleeve. You will cut the sleeve off at the seam. Here I'm trying to find it. There we go. We're just going to cut the seam of the t-shirt. There we go. And now we have the face mask. Here is your face mask. Okay, so you want to hold it up, and the smallest part is going to actually go on the back of your head. And the widest part is going to go in the front of your face with the pointy part over your nose. So you want to just slide it over your head with the widest part in the front and the smallest part in the back. Just a quick public service announcement. If you guys feel sick, stay home. And while you're out in public, please keep your face covered from your nose to your mouth. I want to say rest in heaven to my dear, sweet little brother, Derek Wayne Coleman Jr. I will always love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel here and hit the notification bell. Follow me on all social media at Mayana _Queen B. Thanks for watching.